You're welcome. So in this video I'll be talking on how to create content for monetization. This is what is trending in the internet these days. All right, so I am going to first I would excuse me. So right now, let me start with content creation. Now this is something I don't always do. Is once in a while is I do this, like sit before the camera and talk just once in a while. Mostly I always give my voice behind. I use my voice, then screen record and all that, because I don't know, but if you're like me, don't worry, I have a solution for you. So we are going to be looking at content creation, understanding what content creation is all about. So content creation, without wanting to bore you with big definition or grammar, just know that content creation has to do with the art of creating media information for your target audience. Okay, so now we are going to be looking at various forms of content. So what are these content I am talking about? So we have what we call video content. Okay, video content has to do with videos. This this particular video you are seeing here is a video, is part of content. Most of the ones you see in the internet so far is video. It has an image of a person in it and you are saying it is visual. It's video. So the second one we are going to look at is written content. This has to do with text. It can be blog post, people who post on website, their blogs. It can be reports, it can be ebooks, and it can also be articles. Then the third one we are going to look at is audio content. So audio content has to do with voice. It can be an audio book, it can be music, and it can be podcast. Then the last one I want to look at is visual content. This has to do with, it can be just image, no voice. You're not seeing and you're not hearing any voice. Nothing is playing. It's just image. And for example, is graphic designs we see. For graphic design, we see. I believe you have seen graphic design before. So that is an example. Then for instance, another one is infographic. It's part of the graphic design I'm talking about. Then the last one is under visual content. The last one is illustrations. So now, what is the next one on the list? Okay, now the kind of the latest video content you can create. I just hope I can unleash the actress in me right now, because I am going to be putting some things in practice. So now, so what are these kind of videos you can create and monetize it? Okay, we see this kind of video in the internet. Who is your favorite influencer, your favorite creator, digital creator in the internet? Who is the person? Go and look at how the person makes his or her video content we have in the internet these days. Is if there is maybe something that happened and it's trending, a particular video that happened and it's trending, you can pick the video and do a voiceover on it. You can decide not to do a voiceover on it. Just make a video of yourself. You can make those videos, keep it in your phone library. So whenever you see something that is related to any video that is related to what you can put that kind of video in, you attach it. For instance, you can make a video where you are a kind of, maybe you are in shock. So this kind of video, you don't have to talk. You just a kind of, you attach it by the side of the that particular video that is trending. You can attach it. you can, I believe you have seen one of them in the internet. You can put your video at maybe smaller side of the video. This is what you can use app to do. You put your record a video of yourself. If you did not even record a video of yourself, there are some screen recorder, yeah, app. You can put that trendy video on, and then it gives you a space for you to record your own, like you talk while that video plays. So that is it. So now you can make your own video addressing whatsoever that happened in that particular video you saw. You make your own video addressing whatsoever that happened in that particular video you saw. You can address it based on, you put your, you a kind of make your opinion. You make your opinion. People can want to hear your opinion. What do you have to say about this issue? A lot of people can come to the comment section to disagree with you, some will agree with you. That is it. So you can make your own video addressing that issue and attach it to that particular trending video. The video is not included in that content, and it's not your original content. You do not have to take it to YouTube. You don't have to take it to the YouTube, because it's not your video. So far it's not your video. Make sure your video is also showing on that video. Then the other one, you can also make a video. You don't have to talk, where you don't, maybe the video has to do with something that is funny. You can make a video of yourself where you are laughing. You see some of these videos in the internet. So that is it. Another one is you creating your own, maybe comedy script, or going out to interview people, ask them questions, blind date, and so many of that. But if you cannot go out from the comfort of your home, you can do these ones I have talked about. Making video, then you keep them in your phone library. When you see something that has to do with that, maybe something that have to do with laughing, you put a video, you just attach it by the side where you are laughing. So I know that. Please don't mind me. Don't mind me, please. So, if it's something that has to do with you nodding, or you just have to just be a kind of staring at the what is happening, just be staring. Or maybe you tell them. Let's look at video editing apps you can use. You can use iMovie. You can use iMovie. You can use InShot app. I use InShot. You can use CapCut. This is very popular. It is user friendly, so you can use that. Then which other one? Then I talked about video recorder. What I use is screen recorder. So I use screen recorder for iPhone. Then if you are using Android, I think recorder or something, a video recorder, just go to App Store and look for it. You're going to find it there. Okay, you can post these kind of videos. You can post them on Facebook page. There are some African countries, most African countries are not eligible to monetize their videos for now. Maybe in the future Mark Zuckerberg can kind of consider us, but for now we are not eligible. So these people have a way they a kind of overcome this. Yes, some travel out, while some don't. They stay in their country and still do it. You have to create a Facebook page. It's either you create or you buy. And make sure, if you are buying, make sure you check the history of the page. Make sure that it's validation free. Make sure that it doesn't have anything that will give you issue on the process. So if not, just create your own and grow it. I see a lot of people on Facebook, they do follow for follow, like their pages and their groups like that. Some even have to pay influencers to a kind of recommend their page to users to follow them. So if you can create your own and join some of these groups to a kind of grow your page, Then be posting contents. You can post some of these contents I talk about. Anyone that is okay, just post. Then it is important, those influencers, you can learn one or two strategies from them. So what you have to do is to look for them and follow them. You can follow about 5 or even 10 of them. See how they create their content. See what you are going to pick, what you're going to learn, what are their strategies. Look at their video. The question you have to ask yourself is, when you see their video, what attracted you to the video? What made you to look at it? If it's something you feel like you can copy and add to your own strategy, you do that. It will work for you. So find out how other people do their own, how these ones do their own, and then incorporate. So is either you pay those influencers to a kind of recommend your page to their followers, or you can even do giveaway. Giveaway. Oh. So many, this is why you see so many influencers, they are doing giveaway. Once they are doing giveaway, their page is growing, because a lot of people in the internet are looking for where to get free money. They are looking for where to get free data. This country is hard though. So they are looking for where to get free data, they are looking for where to get free money. So you can incorporate this as part of your strategy. Then once you get the number for monetization, I'll talk about that monetization, because you will have to get to 5,000 followers for Facebook and other things. Just have to look at that. Then okay, the second platform I want to talk about is TikTok. You can also earn from TikTok. So start growing your account. Is that you earn from live live videos, or you earn from your own video. TikTok will start paying you from your own video. I think is once you get to 10,000 followers, and I think how many thousand um, views or likes, I mean thousand views, I don't know. So when you create a TikTok account, you get to see that. If you have TikTok account, go and look at it. Go to the creators tools, you are going to see that. So now YouTube, you can post this kind of video on YouTube. This kind of videos, you can post them on YouTube. If you're this kind of person, that what you do is you can make voiceover behind, and attach it to a video. So make sure you just manage to make a video of yourself. No matter what, you just make a video of yourself and attach it by the side of the video. Then attach whichever video you want to attach to it. So after that, once you get to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and YouTube will they will message you. Then you follow their process, and their monetization process, and monetize. That one, most countries are eligible. It's not like Facebook. So you follow the processes, their process, and monetize. So now, okay, let me give more detail on Facebook monetization. So if you get to 5,000 and you already have the numbers of I think it's 60,000 watch hour. Once you have that, and you have someone outside Nigeria, talk to the person. Make the person the admin of your page. Make the person the only admin of your page. Make sure it's someone you trust, someone that can deliver. Let the person apply for the monetization. The person can use his or her detail to apply for the monetization. So far, that person is not in Nigeria or in any of the country that is ineligible for monetization, Facebook monetization. Then, if you do not have anyone outside, there are a lot of people in the internet. Some of them are influencers. If you feel like you can work with them, you work with them. But if you can't work with them, let's go over to this app. If you are seeing this video on YouTube, so if you are also seeing it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, please kindly like, comment, and follow me. All right, thank you. Please do that. I'm waiting. All right, thank you for doing that. So now I want to take you to this website where you can get someone to monetize for you, and you pay the person. If you do not want to use any of the people any of the vendors on social media, on Facebook, if you don't want to. Let's go.
So go over to Google and type Fiverr. So you can sign up. If you do not have an account, you sign up. So you can sign up with your email. You can sign up with website. Facebook. You can sign up. If you are using iPhone, you can sign up with Apple. So it's loading. So here, once you have sign up, if you do not have an account, I do not. I have an account, but I do not want to sign up. So you can sign up with your Gmail. You can sign up with Facebook. So after signing up, then you sign in. So let me skip. So here I am going to paste in the keywords, Facebook page, and so here are a lot of vendors. Monetization, Facebook page manager, and monetization. So you talk to them, you can message any of them. Okay, I'll go with let the them know one. That you don't want or people so you don't want followers. That so all you want is just, as you can see, to monetize. You can message the sellers. All you want is monetization. So you go through them. I am not recommending all you anyone want is monetization here. So I'm not recommending anyone here. I'm not recommending anyone. But you can go through them. You can go through them, follow the process, and go with the person Fiverr you want to, or the person you feel like he or she can offer you the service you want. So we are going to click on this. So that is it. Thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe. Okay. Like, so comment. If there is anything you want to ask, if you have these are their prices. So I'm not recommending anyone. Thank you. See and do not be afraid, because Fiverr is legit. Okay, do not be afraid. You can do business with them. All right, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section.